Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting Minnie Mouse. Let's draw Minnie Mouse. This is black marker and this is the Minnie Mouse nose, and these two are the Minnie Mouse two cute eyes. Yes, like that. Now we are draw her hand and her smile mouth. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Now we are draw her another hand. Minnie Mouse is smiling and thinking something. Always drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Now we are take a dark marker for thick outline. This is a thick marker for fill up the black spot. Let's learn the colors name. Blue color, pink color, dark pink color, purple color. Now we are paint Minnie Mouse. At first we will take blue color for his frock. For her frock color is blue color. Always drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Hello Minnie Mouse. Hello. How are you Minnie Mouse? I am fine. Minnie Mouse. Now we are paint his face, which is light pink color. Now we are paint her tongue, which is purple color. Now at last we are paint the dark pink color, which is her hairband. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.